Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Kia Niro EV at home. First, identify your vehicle's charging port and understand its maximum charging rate. You have two main options for home charging: Level 1, which uses a standard wall outlet, or Level 2, requiring a dedicated circuit. Assess your home's electrical capacity to ensure it can safely handle the power demands of your chosen charger. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup. Level 1 charging is the simplest way to power up your Kia Niro EV at home. It uses a standard 120-volt wall outlet, similar to what you use for many household appliances. While convenient, it's the slowest option, typically adding about 2 to 5 miles of range per hour. This makes it perfect for overnight charging if you don't drive long distances daily, ensuring your car is ready each morning with a full charge. For much faster charging, consider Level 2. This method uses a 240-volt outlet, similar to those for electric dryers or ovens, and can add 20 to 30 miles of range per hour. While it requires a more involved setup, often needing a professional electrician to install a dedicated circuit, the benefits are substantial. You'll enjoy quicker charge times, making it ideal for daily use and longer commutes. To optimize your home charging experience, take advantage of your Kia Niro EV's built-in scheduling features. This allows you to charge during off-peak electricity hours, potentially saving you money on your utility bill. Smart chargers offer even more control, letting you monitor and manage charging remotely from your phone. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Happy charging!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.